Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a static IP and attach it to an instance in Amazon Lightsail. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal, and if you see, I have this test Asher AWS Linux instance running that we used in the previous video. And when you are at your home screen, click on networking. Here you see that you have no network resources right now, so click on create static IP. You are creating this static IP in Mumbai, all zones attached to an instance. Attaching a static IP replaces that instance dynamic IP address. So if you would see this instance, hold on, I forgot I was on the Linux machine and an IP config. So this is the public IP that you see for the Linux instance, and this is the private IP. So when we will assign a static IP, the IP would change with the one that we will assign it. So select an instance. This is my instance that I am running. Identify your static IP, static IP1. Click on create. Static IP addresses are free only while attached to an instance. You can manage 5 at no additional cost. Click on create. Static IP attached. Public static IP address is this, and if you would see the home section first, 13.232.90.92.167, 13.235. And if you want to deattach it, click on deattach. This, if you want to delete the static IP address, you can delete it. That is how you assign a static IP to the Amazon Lightsail instance. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.